Hello? Who is calling me? Oh, hi, Beyonce. Oh, hi. Hi, how are you? Oh, my God. No, I didn't hear you. I was home. Is Jay-Z there? Is he at home? Why can't you come over? Hi, Blue Ivy. Auntie saying hi to you. What did Rihanna say? Oh my God, she was lying to you. Just ask Alicia Keys. Are you going to the Grammy Awards? I can't hear you. What are you saying? What are you saying? Are you going to the Grammy Awards? Yeah, I might go, but I'm not sure. I have to pass through R. Kelly's house because I have to tell him something. It's urgent. Yeah, I might come late. I'm not sure. Were you nominated?